This video will demonstrate the use of special tool Fuel Line Remover. Fuel Line Remover is used to disconnect the low pressure fuel hoses equipped with quick joints from fuel filter and high pressure pump in diesel vehicles. Using Fuel Line Remover. Remove the necessary components such as battery to gain access to the diesel fuel filter. To disconnect the quick joint of the low pressure fuel hose, install the special tool on the quick joint in such a way that its protruded part sits in the quick joint recess. After this, tighten the fly nut of the special tool and gently pull the hose to disconnect it. Loosen the fly nut to remove the special tool. Use the same method to remove the fuel hose equipped with the quick joint from the high pressure pump. Advantages and benefits. This tool helps to easily disconnect the fuel hose equipped with quick joint. This prevents any possible damage to the fuel hose or quick joint and also reduces the time needed to complete the job.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.